Hey guys, we are back with our second video about Matrix Mini set. Today we are going to discuss steps to install working environment on your computer and how to run examples. Mini may be used and programmed in few IDEs and languages, including Scratch, MBlock and Arduino IDE. Today we will stick to Arduino. Let's get started.
We start by installing Arduino Integrated Development Environment. You can get it either at the Microsoft Store or, for example, on their official website. Link is attached in the description. When download is complete, we proceed to installation. Accept license agreement. Select all components, destination folder, and click Install button. Our next step is to import Matrix Mini library and examples. Enter the website and download library files. Following files should be unzipped to the Arduino library folder in your documents. When everything is done, launch Arduino environment. Under Files, Examples, find the Mini entry. The following list are examples for the Mini controller. Let's try to launch LED example. Plug in your Mini controller. Before we proceed, last thing is to set up your board and port under the Tools tab. Click Upload button. When it's done, you can follow the working program on your controller.
Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will discuss how to program built-in RGB LEDs in detail. See ya!